Here's how to fix Pinterest not working problem. First, you want to check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, refresh your network and check if Pinterest is working. If it is still not working, then the next thing you want to do is clear the app's cache. For that, open the Pinterest app, make sure to log into your account. Now you want to tap on the profile icon, then tap on the three dots. Here, tap on settings. Once you get here, find the option of privacy and data, select that. Now find the option of Clear App Cache, tap on that. Once your cache has been cleared, close the Pinterest app, then open it again and check if it is working. Next, you want to uninstall the application. Go ahead and uninstall it. After that, open Play Store or App Store. Now search for Pinterest and install it from here. After reinstalling, log into your account and check if the issue is fixed. If it is still not fixed, then the last thing you can do is open up any web browser and search Pinterest server. Here, if there is a server outage, then you simply want to wait until Pinterest fixes this problem. In this way, you can easily fix Pinterest not working issue. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.